on the, I don't know if you're going to get anything cute if you wait for him to do something cute.
Oh, I'm doing some video just of the treats.
Howie.
That's his big sister. So you can see she's big sister. And there's the little Squirt Lucky. Big sister.
Okay.
This treats.
Okay, you want to try to get a picture of her and
I'm doing video right now.
Oh, right.
I was just because this is the most still I've seen him. That I'm getting a good size comparison here. Yeah. He's just a little guy. Pretty dark faces.
That's good.
Okay.
Get some still pictures of him upstairs.
Okay. Bye, Lucky.
Oh, he's wearing a collar. I should probably take that off for his pictures.
Okay. We'll get some pictures here if we can.
I'm keeping them
Oh,
off.
hello, sister.
I'm just keeping them open for